This is a 3-day episode 1 meal that you can enjoy during the mid-month, especially hapo date 10 to date 20 after you've finished off your pants and you're just surviving. In today's episode, we are preparing some ugali with a twist, and with me here are my ingredients. Of course, you'll need your hot water. I have my white flour. Normally, I love the yellow flour, but today we are going to be using this because this is what everyone has, and this is the secret ingredient. This is some margarine, and I'll get back to it in a few. Without further ado, let's get started. So back in the 90s, this is a meal that I really used to enjoy, especially the ugali part. And this is because it had the secret ingredient, that's some margarine. So the twist to this is that we are going to brown our margarine first before we can add in our water. Also, make sure that you do not burn your margarine because ugali itakuwa poa. So I'm just going to heat this for a couple of seconds, and once it turns from yellow to a brownish hivi, we can go in with our water. And I also have a few episodes where I've showed you how I cook my ugali. You can refer to that. And this is what you want. We're almost there, and I'll get my water ready. So once you see it has started smoking and it is brown in color, we'll go in with our water. So that method gives more flavor as compared to adding margarine direct to hot water. It also applies in baking, and if you bake, you probably know that. So I'm going to cover this and let it come to a boil, then I'll be back to add in my ugali. And you can already smell the aroma from the margarine that you've toasted, and I'm going to cover this and I'll be back once my water starts boiling. The aroma in this kitchen, kunanukia poa sana. So I'll go in with my flour, and I also have the exact measurements to how I cook my ugali. You can check that out. I've given the perfect ratio of water to flour. Then I'll proceed to cook this as my normal ugali.